here we have a MacBook Pro that is turning on, but you don't see anything on the screen. No video, just the backlight that is turning on, as you can see right here. See, this one here is lighter than the bezel, so the backlight is working, but there's nothing on the screen. No video, nothing, just the reflection of me. And based on my experience, the problem is 99% on the screen that is damaged from the inside, and the other 1% is the logic board that needs to be fixed. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna replace the screen and see if that will fix this MacBook. Alright, the old screen is out. Those are the screws. Let's get a new screen and install the new screen onto this MacBook. And here is the new screen. Okay, the new screen is installed, so let's test the MacBook and see if the display or the video is working. There you go, Apple logo. So there you go. You can see the video or the image on the screen, and the MacBook is fixed. So the customer's old screen that is broken have this protective case on it. And to be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of this kind of case or protective case, because I don't know how much stress or pressure that this case put on the display, and it may gonna end up damaging the display rather than protecting it. I'm not gonna install this protective case into this new screen because we know how fragile the screen can be, and I don't want to damage the new screen.
Thank you so much, Jim. Because I went to the Apple store and they were like $600, and I was like, I don't really have $600.
$600.
Yeah, and they didn't even tell me what was wrong. Yes, and I'm gonna tell everybody I know too, because you go to a lot of other places and they don't even tell you what's wrong. That was the thing that when you texted me and he told you what was wrong, I was like, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about, and he's not trying to screw me. So